Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for another CVS haul video. Thank you for joining me. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here. In this video, I used the 10 off 17s purchase CRT. I did 5 deals in one transaction and they all ended up being free after the $5 back from Activate Reward. Let's go check out what I picked up. The first deal I have here is on Paparazzi nail polish. I'm glad they brought this deal back because we used to have it almost every week in the past. But they're on sale for 2 for $5, and when you buy 2, you get $4 extra care box back. I'm going to pick up 2. Since I'm adding this to the 10 off 70, I will explain each deal as I go by itself, like I don't have that. Picking up 2, I have to pay the 5 and get $4 extra care box back, making both of them just $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I have is when you buy 3 of any Neutrogena cosmetics, you get $10 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, the 21 count. This is found with the Neutrogena makeup. Make sure that's where you're picking yours up. And I also pick up 1 of the eye makeup remover, priced at $6.79. These 3 items are going to total $21.77. There is a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to the wipes. And we also received a $3 mystery offer on Sunday that will help bring it down to $15.77. I'm going to pay that and get $10 extra care box back, and I'll submit my receipt to Activate Reward for a $5 back when I spend $20, or you can get $10 back when you spend $30. But since I'm spending $20, I'll only get $5 back. And after the reward, these 3 items are going to end up costing me just 77 cents. The next deal I'm picking up is when you buy 2 Garnier Fructis conditioner or shampoo, you get $3 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the leave-in conditioner on sale for 2 for $8. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $5. I'll pay that and get $3 back, making both items just $2 or $1 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 soft soap or Irish Spring body wash, you get $4 extra care box back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. I'll pick up 1 of the soft soap, priced at $6.59, and the second item I'll pick up will be the Irish Spring body wash. It's priced at $7.49. Since this deal is buy 1 get 1 40% off, the way it's going to work is the lower priced one will be the one that will be 40% off, and that will be the soft soap. The Irish Spring is going to be full price for $7.49. and the soft soap will be $3.75. The 2 of them are going to total $11.24, and we have a $2 coupon for the Irish Spring and another $2 coupon for the soft soap. After these 2 coupons come off, it's going to drop it down to $7.24. I will pay that and get $4 back, making both products just $3.24 or $1.62 each. The next deal I have will be on Eucerin Body Lotion. They are part of the spend 20 get $10 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 3 of the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion, priced at $6.99 each. These 3 items are going to total $20.97. And I have this $3 coupon I got from the 1/7 savings set. I'm using 3 of them because I used the one from the app last week, but you can use 2 and use 1 from the app. After these 3 coupons come off, it's going to drop it down to $11.97. I'll pay that and get $10 back, making all 3 of them just $1.97 or 66 cents each. At this point, I still can use my 10 off 17s purchase CRT. I need a filler item to be able to use it. I'll pick up the Revlon toenail clipper, priced at $7.59. But because of the 40% off sticker, the price for this is $4.55. We received another $4 mystery offer on Sunday that will drop it down to me paying just 55 cents for it. These are all the items I'll pick up today, and the total is $71.53. The coupons and CRTs, including the 10 off 70 I'll use for this, will total $36, which will drop it down to $35.83. I'll pay that with some of my extra care box and pay the rest out of pocket. I'll be back with my receipt to see how everything worked out. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. These are all the items I picked up, everything I showed earlier on, and the coupons are applied like I expected. The first $3 is the Eucerin, and the Garnier Fructis came off, the 3 of 2. The $3 for Neutrogena applied as well. And also for the Iris Spring and the soft soap, they both came off. The 10 of 70 came off. The $4 for the Revlon came off as well. And I have the $3 mystery offer that came off. I ended up using $31.89 extra care box to pay for this. The 89 cents on top of it is the 2% back in extra care box we get. And also I have a $2 extra care box I got from pharmacy. I don't know if I should count that in as extra care box I used, but I ended up paying just $3.94 out of pocket, and I got my $10 back for the spend 20 get 10 for the Eucerin, and also a $10 back for buying 3 of the Neutrogena cosmetics, and a $4 back for buying 2 of the Paparazzi, and a $3 back for buying 2 of the Garnier products, and the last $4 back for buying the Iris Spring and the soft soap. And I'll submit my receipt to activate reward for a $5 back for spending 20 on Neutrogena. That will end up making this haul free. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for being here, and I'll talk to you next time.